Welcome to Front Range Orthopedics and Spine, the only place you'll ever need for best-in-class comprehensive orthopedic care. Whether you get hurt on the slopes, on the job, or around the house, we'll get you back to doing what you love to do. And the best thing? Everything you need is all right here. An orthopedic clinic staffed by board-certified and fellowship-trained specialists. The latest MRI and digital X-ray equipment for immediate diagnoses. A state-of-the-art ambulatory surgery center offering a multitude of surgeries, even total joint replacement, in a quieter environment with less risk of infection, and will get you back home the same day as your surgery. An expansive physical therapy center providing a full range of rehabilitation services, including physical therapy and hand therapy. Everything you need, all under one roof. Front Range Orthopedics and Spine. Best-in-class orthopedic care that fits you.